So this is the fourth TaxoTox screencast. We actually covered the basic usage, and I just want to mention some other options this shinyapp gives you. First, you can download our reference data. It might be useful. Essentially, these are medians for benchmarks or bioassays for different taxonomic groups and substances, and our CASRN lookup table, which might also be useful. But on top of that, we also have advanced assessment, where you don't use the basic potential toxicity index, but other types of calculations. And once it's published, you'll have to read about those methods in the paper. I don't want to get into it in a YouTube screencast. Thanks. Bye.